Disclaimer: this tutorial is intended for learning purposes only. The hair used for this tutorial was sent to me by Trendy Tresses, River Coils, and this is my second time using this hair. The coil pattern is beautiful and the hair is voluminous, but just like the first time I used it, the hair tangled badly in about 2 days and the knots did not stay in place. However, I went ahead and uploaded this tutorial so that you can recreate this braidless crochet hairstyle with any other crochet hair of your choice. I do not recommend this hair. Let's get this party started. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's hairstyle is going to be a braidless crochet tutorial. The first thing I always do is to go with my leave-in conditioner. I want to make sure your hair is clean, really detangled, and properly moisturized. So after that, I'm just applying this DIY anti-dandruff hair cream that I made, and it's been so amazing. I'm going to definitely upload a tutorial soon on how I got rid of my dandruff, and I'm going to show you how I made this cream. This tutorial is really simple. First thing you want to do is to part your hair like you would when you want to do cornrows. So after parting your hair, you want to use your comb and divide the hair into smaller horizontal sections. So now you want to grab a rubber band and tie down that portion of hair, and this is going to be our first section. Now you want to go ahead and divide the second section and attach the first section to the second section with another rubber band. After doing that, you want to go ahead and part the third section and attach the second one to the third one. Now you're just going to go ahead and keep parting until you get to the very end. At the very end, you just want to go ahead and do a twist and pin it down with a bobby pin. To make sure my hair stays moisturized and my scalp isn't dry, I'm just going to go ahead and apply some black Jamaican castor oil, and I absolutely love this stuff. So for the back section, do not install the hair too close to each other. You want to keep a decent amount of space, and this is just going to make sure your hair doesn't look too full and too bulky behind. By the way guys, I have so many crochet braids tutorials on my channel, but for the sake of those who haven't seen a crochet hairstyle before or a crochet braids tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and just go slow and show you guys the steps. So step 1, you want to slide the latch hook through the hair and place your crochet hair inside the hook and close it. By doing that, you want to pull that out and make a loop with your fingers. After making the loop, insert the hair through the loop and pull the other part of the hair 2 to 3 times through the loop and make a knot. So for my part, I went ahead and did the invisible knotless method, and the only difference between the invisible knotless method and the regular crochet braids is that instead of pulling both strands of hair through the loop, you want to pull just one side of the hair through the loop, and that's it. I do have a tutorial, a really detailed tutorial on my channel on how to do the invisible knotless method, and I'm going to link that tutorial down in the description box, so make sure you check that out. So for those of you wondering, oh my god, how do I go to bed with this hairstyle? How do I take it out? Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications, because I'm going to upload a nighttime routine on my YouTube channel in a couple of days. So make sure you turn on your notifications so that you get notified when I upload that video. So now that we're done with installing the hair, I'm just going to go ahead and leave my edges, you know, trim it down, apply some bobby pins, and we're done.